हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करेंगे 5th स्टैंडर्ड के इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 18 वीड्स इन द गार्डन, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हमने चैप्टर 1 से लेकर चैप्टर 17 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस मेरे नहीं देखे तो उन्हें जरूर से देखिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी जरूर से कीजिएगा। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब जरूर से करना। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 18 वीड्स इन द गार्डन, इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो फर्स्ट इज मीनिंग्स। वीड्स, useless plants, harmful for desired vegetation. Second, indulge, to satisfy wishes. Third one, vain, useless, without success. Opportunity, chance. Vines, a climbing plant. Trace, a very small amount. Avail, to be of use. Implement, tools, instruments. Now question number 2 is, list all the words and phrases in this story that indicates time. When, time and again, soon, early one morning, suddenly, after a while, again, then, after the hard work, throughout his life, and never. Next one is, add proper prefixes like up, un, dis, dis, in to the following to form opposites. First one is happy, unhappy, root, uproot, effective, ineffective, believe, disbelieve, civilized, uncivilized, continue, discontinue. Now question number 3 is answer the following. First one, when do the parents feel sorry and become unhappy? Parents feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them for something wrong which they do. Even when scolding has no effect on improving the kids, parents become unhappy. Question number 2 is, what methods did Anshuman's parents use to warn Anshuman about his bad habits? Answer is, except for beating Anshuman, his parents used gentle words, strict warnings, and scolding him now and then to warn him about his bad habits. Next question is, what did Anshuman's father compare bad habits to? Answer is, Anshuman's father compared bad habits to the weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it gets to uproot them. He further said that the wisest things to do is to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Now next one is question number 4. Use the following phrases in your own sentence. First one, in vain, without success. The football team tried its best to win, but in vain. Next one, get a hold of. Meaning is to take permission. The police got hold of the criminal after a long search. Now next one is to get rid of, to do away with, to discard. We are going to get rid of an old car for a new one. Now next is change the meaning of the sentences by changing the preposition. First one, the tiger jumped into the river. Now we have changed the preposition here. The tiger jumped out of the river. Second one, put the cubes in the box. Answer is put the cubes near the box. Next one, we traveled to Mumbai by train. We traveled from Mumbai by train. Next one, there were many people around the house. There were many people inside the house. Next one, the children were asked to come without their parents. Answer is the children were asked to come with their parents. Now next one is change the meaning by changing the adverb. First one is speak gently. Answer, speak politely, quickly, slowly. Come in, come here, fast. Next one, hit the stone hard with the hammer. Answer is hit the stone gently with the hammer. With this, we have finished this chapter's question answer, weeds in the garden. So students, अगर आपको मेरे चैनल पसंद आया तो आपको क्या करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर भी करना है। तो मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक टेक केयर, कीप वॉचिंग वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल एंड थैंक यू।